The Little Lost Fox. Finn the fox cub loved to explore. Every leaf, log, and ladybug was a grand adventure. But one afternoon, while chasing a floating dandelion puff, Finn wandered deep into the woods, far from his family. The woods grew darker. The trees felt taller. "Nobody knows where I am," Finn whimpered, curling up under a fern. Just then, a familiar scent brushed through the air. "Finn, where's my brave little explorer?" called a deep, loving voice. Papa Fox appeared, nose to the ground, following Finn's trail. When he found him, he scooped Finn up with his snout and nuzzled him tight. "I would search every corner of this forest to bring you home," Papa whispered. And Finn knew his papa would always come looking for him. Moral of the story: even when we stray, God's love searches until we're safe in his arms. Luke 15:4-6.